A new trademark application was filed for AKA 1908 on June 30th of 2022, but it wasn't filed by Alpha Kappa Alpha Sorority Incorporated. If you don't already follow me, I'm Attorney Jones, an intellectual property attorney who helps educate people about brand protection through hot topics and current events. So after a previous video talking about the trademark registration of the year 1911 by both the Kappas and the Omegas, I got the question, should other organizations trademark their year? Well, the answer to that is simple, and it's the same for any business or corporation. If you have a logo, a name, a slogan that you want to protect and prevent others from selling and making a profit off it as if you gave them permission, then you need a trademark. And this recent application is a perfect example of why you want to trademark a year. Now, before I get started, let me say this is for educational purposes only. I ain't worried about the AKAs. This is their trademark portfolio. They know what they're doing. You can tell a lot about a business based on what they invest in. So first, the AKAs actually have a trademark for AKA 1908. They've had it since 2010, and it covers a number of different classes. But in June of this year, an individual from China has attempted to register AKA 1908 for a select set of goods, car seats, frames, things that go in automobiles. So here's a legal lesson. I believe Alpha Kappa Alpha will be able to defeat this trademark easily. Because we know the AKAs already have a trademark for AKA 1908, albeit in a different class, it is very likely that the examining attorney from the United States Patent and Trademark Office will do their customary search, see the other trademarks, and send out a refusal or a denial to the other individual who's trying to trademark AKA 1908. But let's just say it gets past the examining attorney. Don't worry. For every trademark application, there is a publication period, a 60-day period towards the end of the process in which any individual or corporation who feels like they will be infringed or otherwise hurt by a trademark application can file an objection. And even if this slips by through the publication period, there are ways to object to a trademark infringement after the registration has been issued. And for my clients, if somebody else files an application for a mark that's similar to yours, I'm the first one to know. I know before the USPTO knows. But this helps to explain why someone would try to register for a year, because that year really identifies their brand. I'm not in any sorority, but I will tell you what, I do not appreciate anybody misappropriating the culture that we had to work for in this country to use it for their own benefit. That's why I do what I do. The misappropriation for me makes me passionate, okay?